Hi ladies, welcome to Chapter, our first paper meeting. I'm sorry we couldn't be together tonight. Unfortunately, HBU had other plans. So I am just reading straight off the agenda, and then I will upload this video, and then in the video you will learn what you have to do for attendance this week. So here we go. So for Hair Fashionista, it's picked every time we have a themed meeting. The chapter votes on who rocked the theme the best, and the winner gets a $10 gift card to their place of choice. As y'all know, tonight was supposed to be Fraptor. Unfortunately, HBU Electricity had other plans. However, if you still want to dress as a brother and enter to win Hair Fashionista, you can. So if you dress in frat brother attire and send me a picture of your outfit via chapter president email, which is located in the agenda right here, then, if you do that no later than Friday at 5 p.m., we will vote on a winner next chapter meeting. Along with that, next chapter meeting on the 11th will be Character Day. So that includes characters from animated series, TV shows, movies, any character you'd like. That will take place in person next chapter meeting, so I'm excited for that. If not, attire will be informal. Then, prayer requests. So here's the form for that. I've had a couple come in, so thank you guys for using that. Please continue to utilize that. Myself and Ainsley are definitely seeing those. Let me edit that. Prayer requests and suggestions. So it is also a suggestion form. If you've clicked on it before, you notice it says prayer requests and suggestions. So if you want to do something specific for our philanthropy and we haven't mentioned doing it, please send that to us and I will send it to our philanthropy committee. Or if you have a great idea for a mixer that you'd like to do, anything, if you have any suggestions on how chapter goes, please let me know. So yeah, go ahead and utilize that form, guys. So this week we do have mandatory convo on Wednesday at 11 a.m. Wear letters. We will chant afterwards. So new members, you get to learn the chant with us, and any set of letters you have, doesn't matter. I'm not assigning a specific shirt. And then lastly, our composites. So Greek Yearbook just approved our composite photoshoot time. We will take composite pictures Monday, November 8th before chapter meeting. And then for VPCRS, Hara Bear goes to Veronica. She has been a go-getter from the start. She's always willing to lend a helping hand and tries her hardest to be a part of anything we can do. She has had an amazing attendance for our events, and I'm so glad to call her our sister. So on here, you guys also will be able to comment down below. We're going to open the circle of affirmation. So anything that you guys would like to say to Veronica, please feel free to say so. Congratulations. So reminder, if you do not properly CR to an event, it will not be excused. Make sure you know how to CR and make sure you're doing it in a timely manner. This applies to old members and new members. Please, new members, go ahead and get into the habit of, if you cannot make something, we want y'all to practice with your CRs. Yeah. So if you do not follow instructions for tonight's paper meeting, I will assume you are not in attendance and therefore have an unexcused absence. This means you will be fined. Please make sure you pay attention and read carefully. So I'm letting y'all know what is going to be your attendance piece. That will come later on in the video. If you guys do not do that, then your attendance will not count. So Maria, VP Finance, has new members have been billed. And also those on a payment plan, your other installments went out on October 1st. VP Risk Management for Alyssa. Hi ladies, I'm going to put together a poll for tailgate and she will send it out tonight or tomorrow. Also as a reminder, if you are feeling any COVID symptoms, please notify me immediately. You will also be required to get COVID tested. New members, please feel free to call me if you ever need someone to talk to or you're looking for guidance. Y'all are already so loved and we are all here for you. Awesome, Janet. So, this week's Symphony Sister goes to Ainsley. Congrats, Ainsley. Older members, please be on the lookout for Janet. She is sending out initiation pieces since we will not be able to have practice in person today. So please do that. Whatever she asks of you guys in that chat will also count towards attendance. So please look out for that. Recruitment Committee. Not much. If you guys still have any friends who are interested in Greek life, please have them reach out to me. We are still accepting girls. We're probably this last week into early next week is going to be the end because we want you guys to get everything that you pay for. So there's that. So new member Ed, Blair. She just has sister dates for the week, and I'm sure she will send these to you guys. They're also typed right here in the agenda, but I am going to read them out. So new members, you will have 2 dates this week, and that's just to make sure that you get 4 before we vote. So Alexis, you'll have me and Lauren. These sister dates also do not have to take place at the same time with all 3 girls. If you guys can't, if you guys want to, that's more than welcome. If not, please feel free to, make your own separate dates. That's up to you guys. So Marissa, you'll have Maria and me. Bella, you'll have Blair and Lauren. Veronica, you'll have Maria and Blair. Shelby, you'll have Janet and Brianna. Michaela, you'll have Brianna and Janet. Chloe, you'll have Katina and Ainsley. And Melissa, you'll have Ainsley and Katina. And just as a reminder, girls, please feel free to ask, even if you're not on a assigned sister date, please feel free to reach out, get to know each other. At the end of the day, whether or not a sister becomes your big or a sister becomes your little, we're all still sisters under Alpha Chi. So please get to know everyone. Next, VP PR and Marketing, Lauren. Top pace girls this week are Lauren and Ainsley. They're tied for first. In second place is Alyssa and Bella, and there are about 4 other girls tied for third place. Everyone keep it up. All the scores are getting higher and higher, and let's keep promoting Alpha Chi. The Y Alpha Chi Sister of the Week is Olivia. Congrats. Also congrats to our top pace girls. Forgot y'all snaps. We do this so everyone can know our personal reasons as to why we chose and why we stay Alpha Chi. So, Membership Programming Committee, here is your attendance piece. So, if you weren't listening in, key in now, please. So, wins of the week. In order to get attendance this week, you must comment a win of the week on the paper meeting video. That is partial attendance. Your other attendance will be, I'll add it in right now. Your other attendance component is commenting which event you are most excited for this October. And then in a few, I will present the calendar for y'all so that way y'all can answer that question. Ainsley just has her position. So if you guys have any questions about those positions or are interested, please reach out to her or Katina, who is our Panhellenic president. Elisa this week, ask me for any questions you have about Scholar Dollars. 3 people did not turn in Scholar Dollars. So ladies, this is required for all members. Please turn those in. It's a piece that helps us keep our academics on top of everything. And at the end of Scholar Dollars, you get to, each Scholar Dollar will translate into, raffle tickets. And from there, you'll get to be raffled on gift cards. And we've done gift cards in the past, like Lululemon, Sephora, Target. They're really nice gift cards. And the more Scholar Dollars you turn in, the more likely of a chance you'll have to win these awesome gift cards. So please, everybody, make sure you're doing that. And then please let Lisa know if you need help signing up for tutoring, talking to a professor about something, needing a study buddy, etc. She's open to anything school-related. Also, send her your A's on quizzes and tests. So for our Philanthropy Committee, These Hands Don't Hurt table is tomorrow. It is from 11 a.m. to 1 p.m. on Holcomb Stage in front of Hinton. Wear purple or just any purple shirt or a DVA shirt from last year, the white one with the purple letters. And then let me go ahead and pull up the thing. Okay, so tomorrow from 11 to 12 will be Ainsley and Elisa. And then from 12 to 1 will be Elisa and Emily. Please, girls, come help out if you can. It'd be awesome to see you guys, even if you're just passing in between classes. Come show your support. We'll be out there. And then lastly, I am going to show y'all the calendar. We're going to go all the way to October. So, as part of your attendance credit, you will have to comment which event you're looking most forward to this month, as well as a win of the week. And those are your 2 components for attendance this week. So here's October. We're on the 4th chapter meeting. So I'll just leave it on here for a second. So that way you guys can see all of our events. And then also Lauren does send this out every week. So there is that. And there's that. Alrighty, so thank you guys so much for being super flexible with me this week. I know that HBU tends to do things last minute, and you guys were super awesome and super responsive. And so I hope that y'all have enjoyed this week's paper meeting, and I hope to see you guys at the table tomorrow or sometime. I've been gone all weekend in Austin, and I am missing you ladies. So hopefully see y'all soon. And then if you have any questions, please text the respective officers. Please text the respective officers for events you have questions for. And then other than that, that's all I have. So bye, guys.